how to connect any wallet to DEXScreener. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now, we're currently in DEXScreener. So to be able to connect a wallet here, it's actually very simple. Simply look over here on the left side. You will be able to see our portfolio. So if you click on the portfolio over here, this is going to be where we managed our wallets. So simply click on add a wallet over here and then simply give a nickname or give a sample name for your wallet and of course enter your wallet address. So simply get those information from your wallet, whether it's Phantom wallet or whatever wallet you're currently using, and simply click on add wallet over here and you will be able to easily add it. If you're using some browser extensions over here, for example, Phantom over here, you can easily check out its address or the wallet address in the settings section of your Phantom wallet. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.